Do it.
Oh, actually, you'll probably have some spare ones.
Okay.
Alright, then you can put that on the desk or something until we need it.
That over there. Yeah, no, I'm gonna flip those around.
Okay. What do you want them? In here?
Yeah. Okay, now we need a mixing bowl.
This one or the plastic one?
Now we need a mixing bowl.
Oh, you're gonna mix it with that? I thought you were gonna do it by hand. Lazy.
Just call me lazy. Okay.
So we need.
To open the bucket. The box.
So this, 2 eggs. Do you have butter?
Yep.
And so we gotta melt the butter. So we'll get a little bowl to melt the butter in.
Okay.
Oh, it comes with some. But I think they're too small for those ones, so I'll just put it away.
There we go. That. Now you can see what's happening. Alright, round the butter. Butter.
60 grams would be. Hopefully we have enough. Do you have more butter upstairs?
Upstairs.
Sorry, down there. Sorry. Because how much butter do we need in here?
I'm just gonna get the butter.
Okay.
You can just talk to the.
Yeah, and I'll melt this, okay?
Yeah.
We might have enough, I'm not sure, but just in case. Yeah, that would be enough. We don't have to use that. Do you want me to quickly put that?
Yeah.
Because for the. Oh, actually, let me check.
Yeah, that's what's up.
125 grams. I'll keep it up here.
For David Lewis.
I'll keep it up here just in case we need it. And then I'll take it back down after. But I'll keep it in the fridge.
Yeah. Yeah, the butter's not good.
Just check it is. I only put it on for 30 seconds because I didn't want it to. Maybe do 10 more seconds. Because I don't want there to be lumps in it. I reckon that's good.
10 seconds. Need the purses. What's that icing on this?
Yeah, in the box still. I got it.
You got it? With the hammer.
Alright, so you want to put this in?
Okay guys, I am multitasking here. I'm doing some here and some over there. It's crazy.
This in, and then do the butter before it gets hard again. And then 2 eggs.
Right. I probably need the bow.
I'll keep this bowl out so we can use it for the other. What's it called? Too. Where's the icing?
2 eggs.
Yep.
I don't know where anyway.
One.
I know. Come around here. Okay. Going in and out and going crazy here.
Okay, and milk, Rach.
And milk.
Half a cup. Use this little thing.
Yeah.
Let me measure it. 125.
Okay, this is okay. Man. I'm okay though.
There you go, I'm gonna pour that in. And then if it's too dry, we'll add a little bit more.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Is it? You haven't plugged it in yet. Goose.